Good morning. We are over here doing some schoolwork. We are finishing up our day. It is Friday, which our Fridays look a little bit different than every other day. Fridays are very laid back and we do light school. So we're about to finish up our school day, and then I have a parent-teacher conference for Alexia. She goes to school, so she is off today. So she's been tagging along with us during our homeschool day and helping Lola, my youngest one. Hi, Lexi. Helping Lola because Lola wants her to do school with her. And then I've got to head out to a parent-teacher conference in a little bit. And then from there, I think we're going to get into some thrifting shenanigans. We're going to find out we're going to hit up a few thrift stores around and see what we can find. Join us for another Fun Friday. That's what we call them around here. I don't know how fun it will actually be, but we're going to go for it anyway. After I filmed that intro, Larissa's like, whew. I said, yeah, I know. It took a while to film that. And she's like, it's because you're out of practice, old girl. Like I'm some kind of dried up horse. Well, let's sit down and start your work, okay? Very lovely. Lola, come sit here. All right, number 5, recommend. That's your schoolwork. What else would you want to do?
I don't want to do.
Number 6, exaggerate.
Wow, you can see the moon and it's kind of sunny. Yeah. Look, come here. I wonder how you can see the moon so late in the day.
So early in the day?
Yeah.
Remember we learned about that?
Yeah. Well, I know it's out. No, I don't.
You don't remember?
I know it's always out and that it's light. It's just reflected from the sun. But isn't it too bright to see it?
I think it depends on the time of month or the time of year. You can see the moon.
On the hill. Flesh. Oh my!
What?
Flesh! What's a flesh?
Flesh?
Yeah.
It's like your skin. What is that? What, Lexi?
That's like, why would they put
Is that a funny word?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's because flesh, like, that's violent. Yeah.
Flesh isn't violent. Normally, Lola is very compliant and willing to do her schoolwork, but as you heard just a few minutes ago, she was not having it today. So Lexi stepped in and said, I'll do her reading with her and I'll help her with her math pages, and Lola got really, really excited about that. And so I just sat there and watched them. And these moments were so sweet to capture. As you can tell, it's not always like that. We're not always perfect, but I just really enjoyed watching Lexi be really patient with her sister and just be so helpful. It was such a sweet moment.
Toes. Those.
Let's do a quick kitchen update. There's actually not much to update at this point. It looks pretty much the same as it always does. That caught fire a few months ago, like back in the summer. Don't mind my breakfast that's still out, and the kitchen's still a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. You guys don't mind. We're all friends here. Anyway, yes, we had a small fire. We're getting new cabinets and everything replaced and all that. And so our contractor just came over last night to kind of finalize everything. We still have to figure out countertops and all of that. So the process is very slow moving, but it's moving and we're grateful, and I don't want to complain even for 1 second because I'm so, so, so grateful, like very, very grateful. So anyway, we did get a brand new table. It's not brand new. It is from Facebook Market. So what's gonna happen is we are going to, since that's there, I've never loved this. I always thought that looked awkward, but it is what it is. The cabinet lady was like, she suggested adding another, like moving this door over and adding like a 15-inch cabinet. So that's what we're gonna do. The contractor had to come over, make sure this was not a load-bearing wall, which it is not, thankfully. So we're gonna move this door over and then get a cabinet there so it'll make it look a little bit more complete. Otherwise, the layout and everything is staying the same. We are gonna get a trash bin right there, which I am most excited about because the trash over here situation has always bugged me. It's hideous and ugly, and no matter how many times I wipe down those trash cans, they're always dirty looking, and so I cannot wait. That was my one and only stipulation, is I wanted to get the trash drawer. And then lastly, we are going to, this is going to change. It's going to be a pantry here, and then just like 48 inches of cabinets, because right now this is just a clutter magnet, paperwork, all of that fun stuff. By the way, if you have a solution for paperwork, help a girl out, help your friend out. That's my nemesis and my downfall, is paper clutter. I just, ugh. And then lastly, we're going to get some, the ceiling is going to be re-drywalled. They're taking this out and then adding some recessed. We're gonna add that ourselves, add the recessed lights, and then change that out with probably like 2 smaller lights, and then paint these awful walls. When we moved in, they decided to paint all the walls in flat white paint, and so I've repainted every single room in this house except the kitchen, because I was kind of waiting for that. And so we're gonna get the kitchen repainted because flat paint shows every single ounce and morsel of dirt there ever was. So, and then this lovely peach colored door is getting painted as well. So our kitchen was our last room that in the house, pretty much, except our master bathroom. We haven't touched that, but that was pretty much the last room that we haven't like completely redone, as far as either painting or just completely redoing. So yes, I will keep you guys up to date with, not up to date, but keep updates going with how it's going to happen. And obviously at the end I'll do a tour. It's not like we're not changing the layout, we're not knocking down walls or anything fancy. It's going to be like the same, but for me it's fun because it's still an upgrade, because it's more than I thought. I thought we would just repaint our current cabinets that we have, these oak ones. I thought we would just repaint them and do knobs on them, and that was fine with that. But so yeah, totally not something expected, and I'm excited. Today is Lola's science day. I alternate between Larissa and Lola, and so Lola is doing this one today. We're going to do a lesson out of the little hearts and hands, and then all together we're going to do around the world. We're studying Italy right now, so we're going to read at least this book. We'll see if we have time to read about Marco Polo.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Just finished up with Lexi's parent-teacher conference, and it did not go well.
It did not go well?
I'm just joking. It did.
I thought you were being serious. You thought you...
No, it went really well. The teacher said, hold on, my windows are down, it's too loud. The teacher said that she's doing great. She jumped right in. Even though the first quarter is a little bit of review, she's picked up and is doing really well. just helping out and volunteering and asking questions and keeping up with the class and all of that. So
answering questions too.
Answering questions. She earned rewards for like good behavior and good schoolwork and participation and just helping and all of that. So I was really, really proud. But yeah, so it's going really well so far. We of course miss her at home, and it's so nice. I feel like we're back in the good old days, like having all three girls here together. But I'm glad she's really happy at school so far. So yeah, you guys all fight a lot more when you're all home together, but you've been nice today. So anyway, so we're actually going to a thrift store right now, and I don't know if I should say this or not. Each of my daughters separately, I was like, okay, we're going to go to a thrift store, and they're like, what's a thrift store? I feel like I could get judgment either way on that comment. No judgment. I like to get a lot of stuff secondhand, like from garage sales. That's where I get a lot of our like furniture and stuff, or even like Facebook Marketplace and things like that. So I do a lot of secondhand things like that. But I never had much luck at thrift stores. So that's when they were littler, I went a little bit more. But since they've gotten older, not so much. So that's kind of why. It's not that I don't like shopping secondhand. I'm a very big fan of it. I just have never had much luck. So we're going to see if we can find anything today. So here is our little treasures that we found. We got some snow boots for the girls. So they looked like in really good shape. These are for Larissa. They're a little bit big, but they look practically brand new. They look really nice. So got those. Lola got some brand new Play-Doh. I just happened to see this cute sweater. So I know, as Lola said, you have a billion sweaters. Now I have a billion and one. Larissa got just some plain long sleeve shirts, and then Lexi got some little leggings, and she got this little I don't even know, this is a little hoodie. It's very sparkly and glittery, but she's in love with it. So not bad. We went to two different Goodwills, and the first one, the guy, he was like a middle-aged man, and he did charge me an adult size for Larissa's shirt and for Lexi's boots. And so I looked at the receipt, and I came back in and went in line again, and I was like, yeah, you charged me adult size for all of these. And he's like, well, that is. And I said, these are not an adult. These are a kid's size. These are size 2. And he's like trying to argue with me about what is a kid and what is an adult, like what is a woman. And he points at Lola, who's 6, and goes, she's a kid. Those two are not considered kids. They're considered adults or women. And I'm like, what? It was very strange. I honestly feel like he just didn't feel like refunding the money and like adjusting the price, but he did it anyway. Because I was just like, I've been a mom for almost 11 years, and never in my life has anybody referred to any of my children as women. And those are definitely little kid shoes. So it's very strange, but when I got the right price, it was very nice. It was a little awkward, but yeah, we got the right price. We got it adjusted. Anyway, overall, I think we did good. For all of this, it was like $20-something, $27 for all of that. And considering boots alone, snow boots alone are like $40 for one pair, which I hate to pay. So I'm really glad I got those practically brand new for such a really good price. Where is it? I love it. It's a rainbow. Are those butterflies on there? Mm-hmm. I love it so much. Oh.
Can I put it here?
Sure. It is so nice outside. I'm loving it. I don't even need this sweatshirt on. I could have worn short sleeves. It's so beautiful out. I'm just soaking up some sun for a few minutes. I'm probably going to go in and record another video, like a sit down video. It's actually going to be a big announcement that I have. And so I can't wait. It's like a real big life update. I've already done a homeschool update, but this is going to be a life update. So I'm excited to share that with you all. And just kind of share what's been going on, what I've been going through the past like year and a half, pretty much since starting YouTube, and just balancing all of that. Normally I would be thinking about dinner or already have something in the crock pot, but we're going out to dinner tonight with my parents to celebrate two things. One thing is what I'm sharing, and another thing is like something about my dad. So we're gonna do like a double celebration tonight, have some dinner with them. So we're excited. I know I was supposed to go in and film a video after this, but Lexi said, "Can I just be out here with you?" So of course I said yes. Videos can wait, laundry can wait, chores can wait. The most important thing was being with her in that moment and just enjoying the sunshine and fresh air and just soaking up these precious minutes that we have together. Morning, this is Lauren. Good morning. We are doing another, I don't even know what to say. It's been so long since I've done one of these. We are having a Friday today. I don't know what I'm saying.
Very large.
That does look just like her handwriting.
Does it now?
I don't know what I'm gonna say. Good morning. We are doing I don't know.